Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a grocery haul for you. I really want to do a shop with me, but every single time I go grocery shopping, I forget to film. Like, I have tried to make this video like 5 times, and every time I forget to film when I'm in there. But I did get some footage of like checking out, so I'll insert that before we go through the haul. But then after that, let's just get started. Okay, so there is a lot to go through, so let's just get started. First, a bag of potatoes, because who doesn't eat potatoes? Potato chips, tortilla wraps, tomatoes, some bread for like garlic bread. Making lasagna tonight, so I figured we could have garlic bread with it. Lasagna noodles. This is ground pork. I always like to buy really large meat, like club size meat. That way I can like divide it and like portion it off. Ice cream, cottage cheese, 2 cans of tomato sauce, so I can make like a whole bunch of tomato sauce, and then I like jar it, and then I will freeze one and then use one to cook with. Some Cokes, and then some chip dip and some butter. This is a pretty big grocery haul, so this is going to last us a very, very long time. And I don't normally meal plan or make a list of where I go grocery shopping. I usually like to get the meat first, and then I can plan my meals around the meat that I get. Mozzarella. This grocery trip was a lot of staples that we needed. Milk, asparagus, mushrooms, onions, penne noodles, and sour cream. We have lettuce, stir fry mix, as well as broccoli, bacon, some zucchini noodles, and some cod. A lot of metering. Different like TV dinners, burger buns, burgers, and then some steaks. So that's everything we bought. All that's left is to put it away. Okay, so I put away everything. All that's left is to portion the meat, and then we'll be done. I was filming and I didn't realize my camera wasn't on. So basically all you missed was I unwrapped the meat, so the pork, and then I'm just cut it into 4 sections because that's how I'm gonna portion it. And then with the steak, I'm gonna portion it. I'm gonna put 1 by itself and then 2 together. One of the ways you could portion these into their separate bags is to actually use like vacuum bags and put them in there, and then just like use the actual like vacuum sealer to like pull out all the air, and they'll be individually wrapped. If you don't have that, you can do the same thing with plastic wrap. You just need to wrap it in the plastic wrap twice, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm just going to start with a piece of plastic wrap. I'm going to grab my biggest steak, and that's the one I'm going to package all by itself. Give it a couple folds. Make sure your meat is covered. Grab a second piece of plastic wrap, and then you're gonna flip it over so the smooth side of the plastic wrap is up, and then just wrap it the same way again. This is gonna help prevent any freezer burn, any excess air from getting in, and then you have a perfectly portioned piece of meat. So we're gonna go ahead and do that with the rest. And then you have all of your meat pre-portioned and ready to freeze. This is great if you like buying meat from like Costco, or if you like just buying giant packs like I do, because you can get a lot more for your money this way. Okay guys, and that completes my grocery haul. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload. And if you want to see more videos like this, or more shops with me where I actually shop, make sure to leave it in the comments below. And until next time, guys, bye.